The radii of a circular orbit of two satellites A and B of Earth are 4r and r respectively. The speed of satellite is A is 3v, the speed of satellite B is. So we can write the relation between orbital velocity and orbital radius. Orbital velocity is under root of gm divided by orbital radius. So we can write orbital velocity is inversely proportional to root of orbital radius. So the radii of circular orbit of two satellite. So if you are considering satellite A and B, so one is given as nothing but 4r, another one is given as nothing but r. And speed of satellite A is given as nothing but 3v, and our aim is to find out the speed of satellite B, let's say that is represented by VB. Now from this equation you can write this VB divided by VA is equal to, can take it as under root of, as V is inversely proportional to root of R, we can write VB by VA is root of RA divided by RB. So we can write this under root of RA, which we can take it as 4R, and RB, which we can take it as nothing but R. So this is root of 4, which we can take it as nothing but 2. So the value of VB can be written as nothing but VA into 2, and the value of VA is given as nothing but 3V into 2, so which we can write this as equal to 6 times of V.